No way! This present is amazing. Another day, another beautiful day, and I am in my van because it's Sunday, the day before Christmas Eve. I have to do cleaning today again, probably like the first time just by myself. Yesterday I got the instruction and I'm keen to do that because it will lessen the cost of my stay. Afterwards I will have to work at the airpark, and then later on I will do editing for the next video and clean up a little bit more here. That is the plan for today. So far so good. I'm gonna sort through all my bills now, get a bit of that work out of the way. Cleaning took a little bit longer than I thought, and I'm a little bit late for work at the airpark now. Doesn't really matter though. Been sitting in here for quite some time now, editing and doing some photos, and I'm pretty buggered, pretty tired. Session's over now. Session is over. So last night I was in my van editing for a little more and then headed straight to bed. Today is Christmas, so happy Merry Christmas everyone. I'm kinda tired. I was sleeping a bit too long this morning. Gotta finish up the blog post and the video, and then I can clean the camping stuff, the showers and toilets for an hour, and from then on I have the day off, pretty much. So we'll see how much I'll film, but yeah, basically the plan that we were gonna look for a place where we could drive up the mountain so we can get to snow, because it's raining down here. It's 2 degrees and it rains. It's so shitty. I would love to have snow right now. I really would love to have snow. Damn it. Anyways, and then we're gonna have some tea. Chris is gonna cook the main and I'm gonna cook the dessert. And we're probably gonna make this at his place. Eat a little bit, go for a drive, check out where we could stay for the night. And if we won't find something, we're just gonna go back here. I'm gonna work now. We'll see you later. So I'm done with the video uploading and the blog post, and now I can clean at the camping spot. So keen to have the day off later on when I'm finally done with all the work. But for now, I'm good to go with the most important stuff, my vlogs. Yes, even the sun is out today. That's freaking awesome. Can't believe it. You can actually see the line on the mountain where it's getting colder and where it hasn't been raining last night but actually snowing. And so we are gonna try to get above this line today, so we're gonna have snow for Christmas. Not like this shitty ass rain, but at least the sun's out. It's pretty great. Looks awesome. Gotta go cleaning now. I'm done with cleaning and now I'm gonna have a shower and then meet up with Chris. I even got a Christmas present from my boss at work at the camping spot. So it is the 25th morning. I still haven't unpacked all my presents. We normally do that on the 24th, the night on Christmas Eve. But don't know, I'm at work now. I have to go up to the snow park and help out my boss a little bit. Last night was pretty great. Chris and I drove up this mountain and found this pretty cool spot aside of the road, and we parked the car there with the snow chains on and lit up a fire, and it was pretty crazy because there was nothing around. You could see the light from the moon shining through the mountains, and all the snow was just magical. And so unfortunately, which really pisses me off, I set up a time-lapse and I got a couple of really cool shots at the start, but somehow it didn't do the time-lapse. I don't know why. I pressed record. It sucks. I only got this one or this maybe 5 pictures of the whole scene. I guess we have to do that again, but the time-lapse would have been so crazy good. Now that work. Back in the van, shoveling all that snow today was pretty exhausting. I was thinking last night, I'm doing way too much talking. I could just do a lot less, be more interesting, and I wouldn't have to edit that much. So I will focus on a few things a day, not just speak my mind about anything I have thought about that day. So it will just be a couple of things. So today it was work. I was at the fun park working, shoveling heaps of snow. It was freaking exhausting. And now I'm gonna have tea later with Chris maybe. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, you know. Yeah. Back in my van, just had a nice shower. And because I didn't get to open all my presents last night because I was on a mission with Chris, I went to bed early because I had to work today, I'm gonna open them now. I've got the fire stove going, got me a cup of tea, and so here are my presents for Christmas. What am I? Ooh, a nice letter. Ski sock, that sounds promising. Chocolate, wool sock, matches. I've got a candle, some cookies, and the high performance ski socks, which is great because mine smell like sh. What is this? Very nice. Thank you, Grandma. Really digging this right now. Christmas lights. Cookies. Thank you, other Grandma and Grandpa. Very cute message from my parents. I'm surprised my dad wrote this Christmas card. I don't think he ever writes Christmas cards. Looks like a mirror. Thank you very much, Mom and Dad. No way. This present is amazing. Thank you very much, you too. This thing is gonna keep me warm at night. Very nice. That's it. All the presents are gone. Now the only thing I have to do is eat all the chocolate.